In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat mode in Lovable for architecture planning, troubleshooting, and preparing code changes. Chat mode is a helpful workspace inside your main Lovable dashboard that lets you think through ideas before you make any actual edits to your app. This is especially useful when you want guidance, examples, or technical direction, but you are not yet ready to change files in your codebase. To get started, open your main Lovable dashboard and locate the chat mode sidebar. This is the area where you can have a focused conversation about your project without immediately affecting the app itself. Think of it as a safe planning space where you can explore possibilities, clarify decisions, and get support before committing to implementation. Once you are in chat mode, begin by asking high-level architectural or troubleshooting questions. For example, you might use it to better understand how a feature should be structured, how different parts of your app should communicate, or how to approach a bug from a broader system perspective. The key point here is that chat mode allows you to discuss these topics without altering any app code. That separation is useful because it gives you room to reason through the problem first instead of jumping directly into changes. As the conversation develops, you can request more specific guidance, ask for component examples, backend schema ideas, or set up logic related to the feature or issue you are working on. This is where chat mode becomes even more practical. Rather than staying at a conceptual level, you can gather targeted examples that help you understand how the solution might be built. When asking for these details, try to be clear about what part of the app you are focusing on, since that often leads to more relevant and usable suggestions. After reviewing the responses and deciding which direction makes the most sense, move into the main prompt editor when you are ready to actually modify your codebase files. At this stage, you can take the suggestions you want to use and apply them in the place where real implementation happens. This creates a clean workflow. First, explore and validate ideas in chat mode, then transfer the chosen approach into the primary prompt editor for execution. Using Lovable this way helps reduce mistakes, improves planning, and makes your development process more intentional. Chat mode is not just for casual questions. It is a practical tool for shaping better solutions before code changes begin. If you use it well, you can save time, avoid unnecessary edits, and enter implementation with much more confidence.